As you peruse the catalog, you will notice that some downloadable files, such as this Keeper's Log article, appear as PDF files rather than JPEG files. Most images in the catalog, such as photographs, architectural plans, and the like, will appear as JPEG picture files, while text-based documents will frequently appear as PDFs. Whether you are accessing JPEGs or PDFs, these documents will sometimes prompt a copyright warning. Here is a brief guide to properly citing files in the catalog. First, click on the bold blue text titled Hasita Head, Oregon Keeper's Log article. Next, locate and click on the blue hypertext that ends with .pdf. Before you can use and cite this PDF document, the system is asking you to recognize that this is a unique file. It has a copyright restriction associated with it. This means that the owner of the file, in this case, the owner is the United States Lighthouse Society, has limited the file to a personal read-only use. If you wish to cite this document or utilize its contents in your own research, you must first obtain permission in writing from the owner. From here, select I agree and wait for the document to load. Some digitized files are quite large, so please be patient. Please feel free from here to download or print the file. Even if you are not prompted with a copyright restriction message, please remember to properly cite documents in the catalog using the metadata listed here. And one last thing before you go. The catalog is a work in progress. In general, expect that entries related to places, especially lighthouse entries, will have the most detailed information and an abundance of downloadable content. Other entries under objects, vessels, and people may contain far less information as we work to populate the catalog. Happy searching, and thank you again for visiting the J. Candace Clifford Lighthouse Research Catalog.